Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Trade Card Academy. This is Krishna Kumar here. Now let's look into the weekly analysis. How we are going to take a trade for the next week analysis in the weekly base for the positional trade, guys. Here you can see last week, last week it has taken a support of 21,250. That is 21,250 has taken a support over here, guys. This is an entire week candle. It has taken a support of 25,250 and it has taken a high of 22,000 around 120 150 like that. Due to SDFC results, the entire week has gone into the negative territory, guys, only because of the SDFC results. That doesn't mean the entire market is on negative mode, like, guys. How we're going to take a trade on a next week analysis, like how we're going to take a trade in the next week analysis, in the sense you can see here it is we got a major support of 21,000, guys. This is 21,000 here. 3 weeks back took the support here. This is a 21,000. We got the major support over here, guys. Unless the market is above 21,500, it has closed 21,571. Unless it is above 21,500, market will make you move on the upper side. Once the 21,500 breaks, we get the major support of 21,000, guys. Like, what happens if the market breaks 21,500? You can go for a put option or a short future for the target of 21,000 for the entire week. What happens above 21,500? You can see the market for till target of 22,000, guys. Here we can see expect the 22,000 in the higher side for the entire week, or the bottom side for the 21,000 for the entire week, guys. Most, I think, market now it has been corrected a lot. Might it get some consolidation mode is going on. Please keep strict stop loss and trade in the future and option in the Nifty index, guys. This is how we're going to take a trade. Like, stop loss, like you should keep appropriate stop loss and trade, guys. Below 20,500, you get the target of 21,000. Above 21,500, you get the target of 22,000 for the next week, guys. Now let's look into the market, like how we're going to trade in the bank Nifty, guys. Here you can see in the bank Nifty. Let's look into the bank Nifty. Here you can see the bank Nifty, guys. Bank Nifty has been corrected a lot due to the HDFC Bank. Again, I'm saying due to the HDFC Bank, it has corrected from 48,400 to 45,150. It came, guys. Here bottom is 45,150. It came, guys. Again, it has been moved on a higher side. Unless the market, how we're going to take a trade for the next week, unless the market sustain above 46,000, guys. The market sustain above 46,000, according to price action techniques, you can go for a call option or a future for the target of, first target will be like 47,600, and you get a 46,800, and you get a 48,000 entire on the next week. Now entire week has been, last week entire week is being corrected. Like, I think market will be consolidated more. Keeps the stop loss and trade in the option future for the target of higher side target of 46,400, 47,600, and 48,000, guys. What if broke below 46,000? Unless the 46,000 breaks, it is market is safe. Once the 46,000 breaks, according to price action techniques, you can go for the target of 45,600 will be the first target, and 45,200 will be the second target, and 45,000 is a major support we get. Is a 45,000. It is a psychological figure, and technically most of the put option writers will be there, and market might come. There's a gap up has happened, guys. This is a gap up happen. Market might come here to cover the gap in the next week, guys. Be cautious, keep very stiff stop loss, and trade in the Nifty bank, guys. Now let's look into the CNX Nifty, guys. That is Nifty Fin Service. How we're going to take a trade on the Nifty Fin Service, guys. Here what happened in this week, in the sense, it has taken a support of 20,200 over here, guys. You can see why it has taken a support, in the sense, here there was a gap up over here. Like previously week there was a gap up here, it came to cover the gap and it has been covered 22 the 20,200 to it has covered to 20,550. It has been closed on last week, guys. This is a major support. Unless this 20,200 breaks, you can't go for a short or a put option, guys. Once a 20,200 breaks, according to the price action techniques, you can go for a put option or short for the target of 19,400 will be the target for entire positional trade, guys. What if it market goes on higher side? Unless the market is 20,000 above 20,500, it is above 20,500 sustains, you can, according to the price action techniques, you can go for a call option or a future for the target of 21,000. First target 21,200, second target until 21,600 will be the third target or entire week, guys. Keep straight top loss. Market is in a consolidated mode. Go for keep on booking the profits timely, guys. This is how you're going to take a trade on the higher side above 20,500. You get the target of 21,000, 21,200, 24,000. Below 20,500, you get the target of 20,200, and you get a major target is 20,000, guys. Here we can get some support here, major support, in the sense like 20,000 is in a psychological figure, like most of the put writers will be activated. Once the 20,000 breaks, you can see the target of 19,400 on the bottom side, guys. This is how you're going to take a trade in the Nifty Fin service, guys. Now let's look into the Sensex in the next week, how we're going to take a trade in the Sensex next week, guys. What happens here, you can see here, and market has been taken a support of 71,000, guys. You can see it has taken a support of 71,000 here, guys. Unless market breaks below 71,000, you can't go for a short or a put option in the Nifty, sorry, in the Sensex. Once 71,000 breaks, according to price action techniques, you can go for the first target of 70,000, guys. Again, be cautious, is a psychological figure. Once it took the support over here, guys, you can see it has taken, this candle has taken a support over here in 71,000. It might test 71,000 and it has might bounce back. Keep once the below 71,000, keep booking the profit at 70,000. Once the 70,000 breaks, you can see the target of 69,000, guys. Here you can see the 69,000 will be the target on the downside in the next week for a positional trade, guys. Above unless it sustained for 71,000, unless it is sustained 71,000, according to price action techniques, you can go for an target of 72,000, and the second target will be 73,000 on the higher side, guys. Most of the time it is consolidated. This next week might be I'm expecting some sharp pullback. Last week it has, the market has been down due to the HDFC Bank, guys. Market might go a bit higher, like next week will be a positive, I'm thinking, guys. Be cautious, keep strict stop loss, keep booking the profits timely according to the price action techniques you trade, guys. Thank you. Now let's look at the market of the Nifty 50 of the index, how we're going to trade on 23rd, that is on Tuesday, that is on 23rd January, guys. Like here you can see on Saturday, that like Saturday we got a trading, like it has been most of the time it's been a sideways, like it has closed around 21,586, guys. How we're going to take a trade on Tuesday? Unless the market broke above 21,600, guys, that is 21,600. Unless the market broke above 21,600, according to price action techniques, after breaking the 21,600, you can go for a call option on the future for the target of 21,720 will be the first target, and 21,800 will be the second target. What happens, market comes down? Unless the market breaks this level, guys, that is 21,500. Unless if it is not broke, you can't go for a short or a put option here. Once the 21,500 breaks, according to price and techniques, you can go for a short and a put option for the target of 21,400 will be the first target, and second target will be 21,280 will be the second target, guys. This is how we are going to take a trade in the Nifty 50 on Tuesday with the support and resistance, guys. Please keep strict stop loss and trade, guys. Now market is getting consolidated. Now let's look into the market, the sorry, the Bank Nifty. Like you can see the bank Nifty, it has been closed for 46,100. How we're going to take a trade on Tuesday? Unless the market are sustain above 46,000, unless the market stays sustained above 46,000, according to price action techniques, you can go for a call option for the target of 46,400, and the 46,600 will be the second target in the higher side. What happens if the markets come down? Unless this 46,000 breaks, this 46,000 should be broken, guys. Why? Means there's a lot of option writers there, and technically there's a support over here. Once the support psychological figure, again I'm saying it is a psychological figure, that once the 46,000 breaks, below that, according to price action techniques, you can go for a put option or a short the future for the target of 45,800 and 45,600, and the next target 45,400 with the downside, guys. Keep strict stop loss and trade with the support and resistance. Unless if market sustain above 46,000, don't go for a short or a put option here, guys. Now let's look into the Finnifty. That is on Finnifty is an expiry day, guys. Is an expiry. Finnifty is an expiry. How we're going to take a trade in the Finnifty expiry, guys? You can see market has been closed at 20,550. Like unless the market sustains 20,500, that is 20,500, you can't go for a short. Is above the 25,500, you can go for an according to price action, you can go for a first target of 20,600, and second target will be 20,700, guys. Second target will be 27,700. Unless the market sustains the 20,500, you should be in a call option or be in a long, guys. Once the market if market breaks 20,500, if the market broke 20,500, according to price action techniques, you can go for a short or a put option for the target 20,400, and second target 20,300, and third target 20,250 will be the bottom side, guys. Again, I want to say, guys, Finnifty is an expiry. Like, don't go for out of the money, only trade with the at the money, so that premium decay won't be acted over there, and keep strict stop loss. And please subscribe our channel and forward this channel as much as people, so that the people so many people can learn about the support and resistance in the index and trade with the safe with the stop loss, guys. Thank you.